up, level 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 up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your time.
What's up, teacups? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is TAKARAONEA, or you can call me Teeks. It is whichever one that you would prefer to call me. Today I'm going to be doing kind of an updated straight to curly hair video. As you can see, my hair is straight but a bit frizzy, and it's actually getting a little bit oily as well. I've been rocking my hair straight for about a good month. It was my birthday month, so I wanted to switch it up from rocking my curls and, you know, rock my straight hair for my birthday month, you know, Gemini season. I wanted to switch it up, but it's definitely time to wash my hair and bring back my curl. My routine is pretty simple to follow. I really just like to make sure that I'm focusing on moisturizing my hair and bringing back my defined curls, making sure that I have that definition that I love with my curls, and that all plays in making sure that your hair is super moisturized, so that way you can get that definition. Because, you know, when you have curls and you wear your hair straight for a while, your curls can sometimes, when you revert back to curly hair, they can sometimes, you know, be a little bit straggly and not as defined as you like them. So again, make sure you're just focusing on moisturizing. Make sure you guys stay to the very end of this video, because I am going to be hosting a giveaway. And with that being said, we're just going to go ahead and get into the routine video. Alright, let's go. So this is what my hair looks like as of now. Very limp, oily, and has a bit of dandruff, so it's definitely time for a wash. I'm going to start off by rinsing my hair with lukewarm water, because sis, that's what you need to do. First product I'm going to be using is my Devacurl Wash Day Wonder. This is a great detangler and moisturizer all in one. It's great to use this before you start your cleansing process. That way it makes your hair easier to manage during the wash routine. So I've actually used this product in my how to get rid of and detangle matted curly hair video. So if you haven't seen that video, sis, what are you doing? I'll link that right here for you. I'm just raking this through my hair and using my Denman Brush to detangle my hair all the way through. Then I'm just going to rinse that out. So next we're going to cleanse, and I'm using the Devacurl No Poo Original Conditioning Cleanser. I love this cleanser because it really strips my hair of buildup without leaving my hair so dry, and I don't want it to be dry. So I like to massage this product through my scalp and then rinse it out.
Oh my God!
After that, I'm going to be conditioning my hair, and as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you were paying attention, what were you doing? Moisture is so important to me when it comes to reverting back to curly hair. So I'm going to be using this conditioner as basically like a deep conditioner. So the conditioner that I'm using as my deep condition leave-in is the One Condition Daily Clean Conditioner from Devacurl as well. And then I'm just going to wrap my hair up with my Turbo Twist microfiber towel.
Alright, so I just got out of the shower. As y'all can see, I still got my little turby twist on. And as you guys can see, I had used the Wash Day Wonder, which really puts a lot of moisture into my hair. I could have deep conditioned my hair a bit, but I decided to let that leave-in conditioner, this daily conditioner that I got, in my hair just for a little bit longer. I let my hair sit in the towel so that way my hair can soak up all of the moisture from the conditioner. I let that stay in my hair for about 30 minutes. So it's been about 30 minutes. So now I am going to take this conditioner again, and I'm going to take some water and I'm going to spray my hair. And a technique that I like to do so that I can get my hair a little bit more defined is to scrunch. So that's what I am going to do. You don't have to, ooh. I'm not going to put too much water, but my hair actually looks really, it does look moisturized, which is a good thing. And I always like to make sure I'm getting the ends really good and soaked, because those like to be really dry a lot. And the back of my hair likes to be really dry too, like in the crown part. So you always want to make sure you're putting a lot of water and conditioners in that area to make sure your hair in the crown area where you sleep at is getting a lot of moisture, because that's just really important. The back of my hair, and you probably noticed that the back of your hair gets really dry as well. So I'm going to take some of the Devacurl One Condition Original Daily Cream Conditioner, put some in my hand. And I've already detangled, so I really don't have to go through and detangle too much anymore. But like I said, I am going to do that little scrunching technique and just kind of like make sure I'm scrunching my hair up to get those defined curls that I'm looking for. So usually I notice on the first day of like reverting my hair back to curly, my curls aren't as like strong and as defined as I want to. I always say that, unless I'm using, sometimes it depends on the products that I'm using, but most of the time my hair is not as like strong and, you know, like curly as I like it to be. So that's why I said the moisture is important. But over the course of time, as I continue to train my curls and put more products in them, and I wash my hair every day and stuff like that, I do notice my hair starts to strengthen up a bit, and it becomes a little bit more defined like I like it. So it's all about just training your curls. You just gotta train them to do what you want them to do. Okay, so now I'm going to use one of my favorite styling creams from Devacurl, and as you guys can notice that I did use all Devacurl in this video, but I'm using the Define and Control styling cream. I love this cream. This is just a small little travel size because I've basically used up everything, but I am going to try to section my hair off as much as I can and apply this cream to my hair. I want to make sure that my hair is getting all of the product. I'm gonna add some styler, and a little bit goes a long way. And this stuff smells so good. You guys know I use this a lot. So yeah, I really had this is kind of off topic, but I had a really good birthday. I ended up going to Atlanta. Comment below if you live in the Atlanta area. I want to do a meet and greet out there soon. Y'all gotta comment where you live at, so if I ever come to your city, I know. So yeah, these products are definitely really moisturizing to my curls. But again, I didn't really stay straight for a long time like I usually do. Because when I stay longer than a month, I definitely can't get my curls to go back exactly how they were and to be moisturized. And I did notice that I did put a good amount of I was moisturizing my hair while it was straight. And I was using oils and such like that, which is a good tip to remember when you are straight. And I still have product on my hands, so I'm just gonna rake that through there. So because I have reverted back to my curls, I am just gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry. I'm not gonna use a blow dryer because I've already been using, you know, the flat iron, and I've blow dried my hair when I flat iron my hair, so I don't want to put any more heat on it. So I'm gonna go ahead, sit, let my hair air dry, you know, let it do its thing, let it flow, you feel me? And then I'll come back on camera and show you guys the finished result. Alright you guys, so I am back and my hair is now dry. As you can see, it's dry, and I think that my curls actually don't look that bad. I was expecting them to look a little bit more limp, but they actually don't really look that bad. I know that once I keep conditioning my hair, deep conditioning my hair, putting more moisture into my hair, you know, it gets more and more defined as the time goes on, and yours will as well. So again, just make sure that you're moisturizing your hair and keeping those oils in there. So now that my hair is dry, I'm going to be using the Devacurl High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil. Devacurl was nice enough to send this over to me. They sent this to me like a while ago. I just never shared it with you guys. So when they say multi-benefit, it's basically going to add shine to your hair. It's going to add moisture, which we're trying to do since we're reverting back from straight to curly. And it's also going to enhance your curls from, again, just being frizzy and just give it that life and shine again that you're looking for. I like this oil because it has 5 different types of oils in it. Basu, I think that's how you say it. Coconut, Picay, I think that's how you say it, Picay, flaxseed, and it has passion fruit oil, which makes it smell so freaking good. But I love this stuff. As you guys can see, it definitely just adds a bunch of shine and moisture to my hair, and my hair does not like super heavy oils. I have to have some type of light oil on my hair whenever it comes to an oil, or it will really just weigh my hair down, which I don't like. I need moisture, but not to the point where it's gonna weigh my hair down, if y'all know what I mean. If you have 3C hair, you probably 9 times out of 10 know what I'm talking about. So since Devacurl was nice enough to send over the High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil to me, I am going to be paying it forward and having a giveaway so that one of you guys can win a High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil for yourself. So one lucky winner, one lucky subscriber is going to be receiving a High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil from your girl Teeks. I told y'all to stay to the end so y'all can find out how to enter and get this pretty little box in your mailbox. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all. Y'all stay tuned. So now you get to find out how to enter so you can win. So basically, if you want to enter into this giveaway so that you can win this product, this Devacurl product that is amazing, all you have to do is make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you are following me on my Instagram at TAKARAONEA. I am going to be checking. Make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel here, and just comment your Instagram name down in the comments below so that way I can look for you on Instagram and know that you commented and you entered through YouTube, blah, blah, whatever. Make sure you guys do that. This giveaway is going to run for 1 week, and I'm going to be DMing the winner in 1 week, and I will announce the winner on my Instagram stories. So all you guys have to do is just be on Instagram and just be on the lookout for that, so that way you can know if you won the High Shine Oil. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you at the top. Peace. Bloopers. Watch me whip, hey. Watch me oh nay nay. Watch me whip, watch me oh nay nay. Hey, now watch me, ooh, watch me oh my oh nay nay squad. Nay nay squad. What up, nay nay squad?
Yes, we need nay nay. We need nay nay.
High Shine Benefit Oil to 1. I'm gonna be giving away a High Shine. What am I trying to say?
I know what you're trying to say.
Okay. Devacurl decided to send. I already said that.